How to fix not enough memory to run Microsoft Excel on Windows. 1. Close any non-essential background applications via WTM. 2. Run Microsoft Excel with administrative rights. Like this. 3. Download the latest Windows update. 4. Update Microsoft Office. 5. Repair Microsoft Office. 6. Disable Cortana. 7. Open Excel in safe mode. Then check installed COM add-ins one by one, turn off one, then run your Excel. 8. Disable all the options in Trust Center settings. Pat, Excel Options Trust Center. Now turn off all the options in File Block settings in the Trust Center. 9. Disable Ignore other application that use Dynamic Data Exchange, DDE, in the General section under Advanced Excel Options.